Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to download Minecraft on our PC or laptop. So we are going to do it the official and safe way. So let's just dive right in. So we can only download from the official site to avoid viruses. For that, you can open up any other browser. And once you open up the browser, you can directly look out for Minecraft. Type in Minecraft and hit enter. After you hit enter, you will be finding their official site, which is this one right here, minecraft.net, and go to their site. And once you go to their site, you will be finding different options of Minecraft available. For example, I would like to download this version right here. So you can select it and you will be taken to their page. You can scroll down and directly look out for the download option. If it is for PC, Mac, Linux, you can select this option. And then you can choose up a edition. So we have a Java edition and Bedrock edition usually. Right now we have Deluxe PC Collection and Standard PC edition available. So we need to pay a certain amount for that. So for Deluxe, we need to pay $29.99, which is an offer right now. It usually is $39. And we have another one, Standard PC edition, which is on sale as well. So you can look out for the price that you prefer. And once that is done, you just need to check out, select this option of checkout, and go on with the payment process. So you need to sign up with your Microsoft account if you're not signed in. And once you're signed in, you need to provide in your payment details and click on the download launcher. Once it is done, then you can open up the download file and install the Minecraft launcher and sign in with your Microsoft account. And that is it. So everybody, if you'd like to also download Minecraft on your PC or laptop, this is how you do it safe and the official way. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.